Hunting for treasure is easy and fun with the Treasure Cove TC-3020 metal detector. Treasure Cove includes the detector, adjustable headphones, a durable carrying case, and a sand scooper. The 3020 comes with a digital view meter and has target icons for detecting coins, silver, gold, bottle caps, or other miscellaneous metals. It also has an adjustable metal shaft and arm supporting handle for comfortable use. The detector comes with 3 operating modes. You could set the detector to target all metals or simply set it to discriminate only the metals that you want to find. Simply sweep the coil over the target and listen for the tone. Oh, there it is, a quarter.